Good morning, class 12 students. Today we have to learn the third chapter of business studies. I already completed two chapters from business studies from part 1 book. I think you understood everything. If you have any doubt, you call me, I will clear you. So now we have to learn third chapter of business studies, that is business environment. I will explain to you what is business environment. Business environment means the surroundings that is affected to doing a business. Business environment means the process, the prospectus, and the individuals, the factors, individual, institutions, forces that is representing to not possible to control according to the business. Such factors are considering as business environment. So business environment means the surroundings in which the business exists. Business environment means the surrounding in which the business exists. What are the surroundings? That is some forces, or otherwise some factors, or individuals, institutions that is outwardly affected. For the survival of the business, that is called the business environment. So business environment include factors, individuals, institutions, forces of a business atmosphere. So we have to do a business. We want to start a business. We want to think about very more factors about business environment. What are the factors? Individuals and also factors, forces, individuals, government policies, rules and regulations of the government, demand, creditors, problems, and like very more problems we want to consider while starting a business. So business environment is very important matter for doing the business, or otherwise we don't get it, the existence of the business. We don't possible to survive in the business. So because business environment means normally, commonly, generally speaking, it is the surrounding in which the business exists. It is not a definition, it is my idea, I have given you, that is. The surroundings what is affected in the business, that is called the environment of the business. Definition refers to the definition. Business environment refers to the forces, factors, institutions which are outside the control of the business enterprise but affects its performance. So definition explaining that it's some forces, sometimes government, sometimes public, or otherwise legal formalities, or social formalities, or technological problems. Like forces, very more forces are there. And also factors, credit facilities, demand, price fluctuation, demonetization by the government, GST. Like very more factors are there. It is influencing the business. It is influencing the business environment. That is also included in this. So, business environment refers to the forces, factors, individuals. Individuals means creditors, owners, shareholders, like a very more persons also influencing, stockholders, shareholders, like a very more persons also affecting the business environment. And the individuals and institutions. Institutions means public sector and private sector, all the institution, government, rules and regulations of the government, all are included, all are very affecting to the surroundings of the business, which are outside the control of business enterprises. So if we starting a business, some matters not possible to control also. So we are starting business, we started a business, but it will not be possible to control ourselves. So because these factors are outside the control. So these factors outside the control, because it is treated as outside factors, that means individuals, institutions, forces, the factors, all are, it will not be possible to control by the businessman. It is outside the control of the business enterprise, but affects its performance. We don't possible to control these factors, but it is very affecting in the business. Sometimes positively, sometimes negatively. It is very affecting in the business. So because these factors are treated as surroundings of business environment, or that is the definition of business environment. Business environment means it refers to the forces, factors, individuals, institutions which are outside the control of business enterprise. It will not be these factors, forces, individuals, enterprises, institutions. That is not possible to control the business. Some factors not possible to control the business enterprise according to them. So that is outside the control of the business enterprise, but affects its performance. But it negatively or positively affecting in the performance, survival of the business, performance of the business, survival, existence of the business. Such factors are considered as business environment. So I think you understood what is business environment. And next one is features of business environment. What are the peculiarities? What are the features of business enterprise? Business environment. What are the important matters affecting? And what are the characteristic features, importance of business environment? That we have to look one time. Very clearly want to understand these matters. This is a small chapter, but it is very clearly want to understand. Totality of external forces. Totality of external forces means some external forces that is affecting the business environment positively and negatively. Whatever the situation coming, sometime it become positive or otherwise sometime it become negative. That means technology, rules of government, demand, creditors. Technology changing. We want to change our business also. Technology, whatever changing, that change want to come into existence in the business. Otherwise, business will not get very clear. And the rules of government rules always changing. Government rules according to new election coming, and a new people started to ruling the country. On that time, new resolution passed and new regulations are coming into existence according to government. According to government, it is how it is affecting, we don't possible to understand. Sometimes it is positive and negative coming. So government policies also very effective, very carefully affecting the business environment. So next one is specific as well as general forces. Specific as well as general forces. Specific forces and general forces are there. Specific forces and general forces that is affecting the business environment, what are they? We have to look at that. Specific forces and general forces. Specific forces means directly affecting. Specific forces means these forces are directly affecting the business, in the business. So that means directly affecting means sometimes it is good or sometimes it is bad, negative or positive there. So specific forces means it is directly affecting in the business, that is customer, creditors, etc. Customers how to demand showing, customers how to behaving, creditors payment how to giving. Like it is always very directly affecting in the business. So that is specific forces. Specific forces, customers means direct we are handling the customers. Creditors also loans payment, the creditor payment, that is firm directly want to pay. There is no mediatory according to that. So that is, so we want to understand that specific forces directly affecting in the business, creditors, customers like persons. And general forces, that is not directly affecting in the business. General forces directly not affecting the business, but its effect possible to come into business. Possibility is there. Such a business is, that means such a force. That means the forces that will not be directly affecting, not directly affecting in the business, they are called as general forces. That means demonetization, GST. Government suddenly rules made, GST. Positively or negatively, some customers it is positively thinking, some customers it is negative thinking. Demonetization, money value or some currency cancelled by government. Suddenly, there is no expectation for that. So that loss, GST according to that negativeness, positiveness, that is directly not affecting, but business environment it is affecting very carefully. Directly not affecting, but not directly it is affecting. Later it is affecting in each and every business environment. Next point is uncertain. Future is uncertain. I think that future is uncertain. We understood that. Future we don't possible to understand what happening in next year. 2 years corona going on. Very more loss happened. Business it is very dull going on. 2 years over, our learning also not possible. In between holidays coming and our learning, it is online class learning. So we have to think that our future, that means business future is uncertain. Future we don't possible to understand. And government rules, demonetization, GST, like demonetization, GST, that is government rules, government new rules are came into existence, and it will be positively or negatively affecting to the business at all. That means a business is there available. 2 years corona going on. So but demand not available. Because the people don't have money. Public don't have money. Very more persons, private individual, private job doing, their job not at all, salary not available, wages not available. So that is very negatively affecting the business. So that is very negatively affecting the business mean demonetization, money cancelled, inflation, deflation, increasing money. There is no increase in money because of corona. So uncertain means future is uncertain. We don't possible to get any good result of the business. So which time it will be okay, we don't know. Future is uncertain. Government policies, government rules and regulations, new rules and regulations, and demonetization like very more problem faced by people. So because our business future, what happening in future, we don't know. And next one is dynamic. Dynamic indicating means in every time science and technology increasing day by day. Whatever happening, science and technology increasing day by day. So because of that reason, what happening? New innovations are come into existence. It is negatively affecting the companies and the business, because new technology came into existence. In my time, I learned from teachers directly to me. I am asking the doubt directly to teachers. But now what is going on? Online class is going on. Now I am teaching, there is no students. I am looking in the mobile and teaching in the class. So and in my time, blackboard using, now also blackboard used. But now master board, whiteboard also using, pen used and writing and cleaning. That means technology increased very much. Science and technology increased very much. Because of that reason, business also changing. Otherwise, business will be dull. Business will not going higher and higher. So because dynamic nature, it is very carefully want to consider. Business environment depending on dynamic nature of the business. Science and technology, because of science and technology, increased very much. Increased very much, because we want to consider that also. So that is the next point. I think you understand. Next, complex. Same point is, it is a complex process. We don't know what is coming in future. Uncertainty future. It is a complex problem, so we don't know what happening in future. In what happening in future, we don't know, because so demonetization, government policy that is suddenly come into existence. Government rules and regulations are changing. Inflation, deflation, like a money problem facing. Demand decreasing. Like what is coming, what will come in future, we don't know. So it is a complex process. Business and business environment handling, it is a very, very complex process. So you understood. And the next one is interrelatedness. That is, all are interrelated, customers interrelated. In business, customer is very important part of a business. Customer interrelated to business. He is very interrelated to business environment. That means, so every time we want to think about trend of the youth. Trend of the youth wanted to think. So, trend of the youth means thinking of the youth. Thinking of the youth thinking very fitness, health fitness, very healthy food, wanted to eat. That means on that time gym starting, and they are practicing in gym. Health complication not available, and health problems avoiding, and gym starting. They are practicing fitness trend. Want to consider that. That means youth were thinking about their own health, and healthy food they are wanted to eat. They are ready to take healthy food only. Juice shop. Juice shop means Healthy food wanted, juice very more using. Juice drinking very much. And fast food avoiding everybody. Fast food it is very problem to health because each and every youth avoiding fast food and continuing. So these are reasons, all the features want to consider about business environment. It is in this case business environment affecting these categories and importance and the features of business environment I explained you. I think you understood that, and now it is ending. Then second video I will upload. Now I will give you next. So if you have any doubt, NCERT book want to read and ask me doubts. Understand? Clear? Okay, thank you very much. We have to see in second video.